Welcome back, guys. It's Jermaine from Ivanka Global. We are here today to open up these 4 packs of Obsidian Flames. So let's get into it. I'm chasing the set still. Here we go. Alright, which one do you want to go first? What do we got here? We go the Dragonite. Put it in that order. Let's go. Let's go. We know what we want. If you've been watching my previous videos on Obsidian Flames, you'll see what card, the big gold bad boy Zard that I pulled. So there's a few more which I'll pop up now that I want and that I need. So, and I'm scheduling you follow Poker Ruz is live. We're going to do a booster box of Obsidian Flames opening, a booster box battle. Sorry. I sort of pitched to him booster box or Vivid Voltage. So yeah. Code card. Let me fix this camera. That's better. There we go. From the back. Let's go. Come on, Psychic. I need to move this microphone out the way. It's in the way. Here we go. Bronzor. Snubble. Capsicid. Drillbur. Balsam. Pokemon League Headquarters. Come on. Lunastone. Espeon. Lampent, and a Scissor. No, thank you. No luck there, guys. Second pack, let's do it. Okay, here we go. Cody for the viewers. Just did a live with Poker Ruz. Here we go. Come on. Alright, here we go. Town Store. Cryogonal. Togepi. Bonsly. Something's going on with the lighting here. I'm not really happy with it, to be honest. Togetic. Ninetales. Poltergeist, Cleffa, Cubchoo, come on, Toxtricity, the Toxtricity of the city, not, oh, that's better, sorry guys, I had to adjust, the height of the camera. It was really annoying me. We're back. Pack 3. Let's go. Here we go. Code card. Let's get a hit. Just a quick 4-pack opening this one. Fire. No, fighting. Let's go. Lil Pup. Crab Brawler. Capsicid. Clefairy, Muscarian, Gumshoes, Puppeta, Armorage, Dratini, and Palafin. No hit. 3 packs. That's a bit disappointing. Last pack magic, guys. No hits out of 4. Let's see if we can get one. Give me one. Something. There we go. Oh, there we go. Come on. Cody. Let's go. Water. La Vesta. Rowlet. Penelope, Pidgey, Gumshoes, Pupitar, Togetic, Darmanitan, Varoom, and an Entei. Nothing at all. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. That's disappointing. Not gonna lie. Anyways, it's fun ripping. Looks like I have to go get some more and try and redeem that 4-pack opening. See you on the next video.